Ever wonder why your friend got a cheaper ticket than you did for the exact same flight? Airlines are using your booking data against you, hiding price strategies that could save you hundreds on your next trip. You deserve to know what's happening behind the scenes. In this video, I'm revealing 10 airline industry secrets I've uncovered during my years investigating the travel sector. Former airline executives and airport staff have shared these hidden practices that affect your wallet every time you fly. After watching, you'll have powerful insider knowledge that transforms how you book and experience air travel forever. 10. The digital price trap: how airlines track your every click. Ever notice how that dream vacation suddenly costs more after you've checked it a few times? That's not bad luck. It's airlines watching your every move online. Like a digital big brother, their sophisticated surveillance system tracks exactly who you are and what you'll pay. When you search for flights, airlines analyze your data to squeeze out maximum profit. Their algorithms don't just track your searches, they judge you based on your device. According to insider Sarah Johnson, we can see if you're searching from an expensive MacBook versus a budget PC, and we adjust prices accordingly. That fancy Apple product might be costing you extra on your next getaway. This digital profiling can jack up prices by as much as 40% if the algorithm decides you're desperate or wealthy. Don't be a victim. Use private browsing windows, clear cookies between sessions, and employ VPNs to hide your location. Compare prices across multiple devices before booking that dream vacation. 9. Calculated gamble: the math behind airline overbooking. Airlines are playing a high-stakes game with your seat, deliberately selling tickets to more people than can physically fit on the plane. This isn't a mistake. It's a calculated gamble with your travel plans, like a casino that always has the odds in its favor. Every flight has a no-show prediction formula based on day of week, time of year, and route history, reveals Tom Richards, a former airline booking manager turned whistleblower. Airlines typically overbook by 10 to 15% on popular routes. Internal documents show carriers have developed algorithms weighing exactly how many passengers they can bump while still making money. Last year alone, airlines raked in over $25 billion from this practice, while thousands of travelers were left stranded. Here's your power move: when flights are oversold, volunteer to be bumped. The compensation often exceeds your ticket price. Request cash instead of vouchers and negotiate for extras like lounge access or upgrades on your rebooked flight. 8. The invisible markup: decoding hidden fees in your ticket price. That bargain flight to your dream destination? There's a secret financial sleight of hand happening that the airlines don't want you to notice. While volunteering for bumped flights can put cash in your pocket, airlines have mastered a deception affecting every ticket sold. That eye-catching $199 fare transforms into $350 at checkout, like a magician pulling extra charges from behind your ear. Former airline financial officer Michael Zhang explains, "We deliberately structure fares to appear lower by shifting costs to the fine print. What looks like government taxes are often airline-imposed surcharges that go straight to our bottom line. This explains why that fuel surcharge remains high even when oil prices drop. Airlines have built pricing systems to hide charges from fare comparison tools, categorizing pure profit as carrier-imposed surcharges that remain hidden until you're emotionally invested in bookings." 7. Security theater: the illusion of safety at airport checkpoints. Beyond the financial smoke and mirrors of airline pricing lies an even more elaborate illusion, one that costs billions of tax dollars and countless hours of your time. Those intimidating security checkpoints? It's what industry insiders call security theater, a performance designed to make you feel safe without actually improving security. In 2015, undercover investigators smuggled fake weapons through checkpoints in 67 of 70 attempts. Former TSA supervisor Alex Martinez revealed, internal tests show TSA agents miss up to 80% of prohibited items. The system is designed to be visible rather than effective. Government reports confirm billions spent on technology that finds water bottles but misses actual threats. Aviation security experts highlight that screening focuses on objects rather than behaviors, a system dangerous individuals could easily circumvent. Those long, snaking lines trap you in a theatrical production where random screenings create an illusion of vigilance while prohibited items regularly pass through undetected. 6. Lost in the system: the hidden journey of mishandled luggage. Your luggage disappears behind those rubber flaps at check-in, beginning what's essentially a game of chance. Like a message in a bottle tossed into a stormy sea, your bag enters an uncertain journey through airport chaos. According to Carlos Mendez, a former baggage handler, Once your bag is tagged, it enters an automated system with numerous transfer points where errors occur. Airlines know which routes have the highest loss rates but won't disclose this. Your suitcase travels through a maze of conveyor belts spanning miles, with only barcode scanners determining its fate. Internal airline documents reveal certain connection hubs lose 15% of all luggage during busy periods. Beat the system by placing an AirTag inside your suitcase. Travelers have recovered permanently lost bags by showing staff their luggage's exact location. Also, take a quick photo of your bag. This simple step helps airline staff locate missing luggage much faster. 5. The weather excuse, how airlines mask operational failures. Ever wondered if that weather delay is actually real when you're looking out at perfectly clear skies? You might be right to question it. Airlines have mastered the art of misdirection, using weather as a smokescreen to hide operational failures and avoid paying compensation. Former airline operations manager Jennifer Lee revealed, "Weather is the perfect scapegoat because airlines aren't required to compensate passengers. We regularly classify staffing shortages, maintenance issues, and logistical failures as weather-related." The numbers tell the story. While airlines blame weather for 30% of delays, meteorological events cause just 10%. 2/3 of weather delays are fabricated. The proof? Flight radar data shows competitors taking off on the same route. Here's how to beat the system. 1. Download a flight tracking app. 2. Check if other airlines are flying your route. 3. Show this evidence to the gate agent. 4. Request the compensation you deserve. 4. Secret passenger codes. How airlines identify and prioritize VIPs. While you're being denied boarding or compensation, other passengers get protected automatically. Airlines operate a secret ranking system that determines your value before you even step on the plane. When you book a flight, hidden codes in your reservation tell staff exactly where you stand in their hierarchy. Inside airline operations, Rebecca Wong, former customer service director, revealed every passenger has a value score based on lifetime spending, fare class frequency, and corporate relationships. These codes, GG, HON, UUG, trigger entirely different service experiences. During disruptions, coded passengers find protection while you're stranded. That completely full flight, seats might actually be held for their valuable customers. Join loyalty programs to improve your standing. Meanwhile, try this power shifting phrase during service problems. "I'm considering purchasing a premium cabin ticket on my next flight." This simple statement often transforms how they handle your issue. 3. Hidden terminals, the secret airport spaces reserved for elite travelers. While you're standing in that security line watching the clock tick away, did you know there's a completely different airport experience happening just a few walls away? Behind unmarked doors lies a parallel world of exclusive spaces most travelers never see, like stepping through a portal into an oasis of calm while everyone else battles the chaos. Major airports have entire sections accessible only to certain travelers, reveals James Wilson, a former airport operations director. At LAX, the private suite terminal charges $4,500 per visit, but lets celebrities bypass all public areas. These VIP spaces transform travel, private screening with no lines, luxury suites, and direct car-to-plane service. The secret: many airports sell 24-hour lounge access for less than a hotel room. You don't need to be a millionaire. Premium credit cards offer lounge access, expedited security, and VIP transfers, even when flying economy, letting you experience this parallel airport world on your next trip. 2. Minimum requirements, the truth about aircraft maintenance shortcuts. Those premium experiences mask an uncomfortable reality about what happens beneath the aircraft you're boarding. Airlines operate with minimum equipment lists, essentially what can be broken while still being safe to fly. According to David Chen, who spent 15 years as an aircraft maintenance engineer, "I've seen planes operating with over 30 deferred maintenance items simultaneously. It's like driving your car with multiple warning lights illuminated. Your airliner can legally take off with inoperative backup systems, faulty reading lights, and even one engine not functioning at full capacity. Internal maintenance logs show alarming patterns, parts stretched to maximum usage limits, overnight repairs rushed in 4-hour windows when proper procedures require 8+ hours, and increasing use of aftermarket parts that wear out faster than manufacturer components." Aviation safety consultant Eleanor Wright explains, "Maintenance crews face intense pressure to sign off on borderline inspections, caught between safety protocols and operational demands. Denied by design, Behind those maintenance issues lies a calculated system protecting airline profits when things go wrong. After cancellations or lost bags, airlines deploy barriers between you and your compensation. The truth is simple: 70% of valid passenger claims are initially rejected by design. Our claim systems are intentionally complicated to discourage passengers, confirms Patricia Alvarez, a former airline customer relations manager. Internal metrics actually reward staff for minimizing payouts rather than resolving issues. Airlines bury claim forms deep within websites, requiring unreasonable documentation most travelers can't provide. Automated systems reject first claims regardless of legitimacy, while vouchers offered instead of cash are calculated. 30% expire unused, turning your inconvenience into profit. Beat their system with specific knowledge. When claiming compensation, use exact regulatory language from EU 261 or DOT rules. Mention your willingness to escalate to transportation authorities. This often bypasses their rejection systems and gets you paid.